Dear Lord, I come to you today feeling overwhelmed by sadness, depression, and negative thoughts. The world's weight is heavy upon me, and I need your comfort and strength to navigate through this darkness. I turn to you, for your word says, "Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. I lay my burdens at your feet, trusting that you will provide rest for my weary soul. Father, I pray for the strength to face each day and the courage to press on. In moments when sadness fills my heart and negative thoughts cloud my mind, remind me that the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Psalm 27:1. Help me to shift my focus from the darkness to your light, knowing that your love surrounds me even in my lowest moments. Lord, I ask that you replace the spirit of heaviness with the garment of praise, as your word promises, to appoint unto them that mourn in Zion, to give unto them beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. Isaiah 61:3. Lift the weight of depression from my heart and fill me with the joy that only you can provide. Transform my mind, Lord, and renew my thoughts, for it is written, "And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind." Romans 12:2. Help me to let go of the negative thoughts that try to take root and to meditate on your truth and promises. Let my mind be filled with whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report. Philippians 4:8. Father, I know that I am not alone in this journey. Your word reassures me, "The Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as be of a contrite spirit." Psalm 34:18. Be near to me, Lord, and comfort me in my time of need. Thank you for your love, guidance, and for being my steadfast rock. I trust in your promise that weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Psalm 30:5. I claim victory over sadness, depression, and negative thoughts in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.